In this video, we want to find a linear system of inequalities that has the given graph here. So it's bounded by the y-axis, the x-axis, the line x equal to 4. So this is the point there, 4, 0. And this is the solution set of the inequalities, the system of inequalities. So if you look at this, the y-axis has equation x equal to 0. And you can tell, we can have this solution as if we're shading everything to this side of that line. So that means this would be x is equal to 0 would be the boundary. Now this, if we were shading everything to the left, this would be less than. But this would be x greater than or equal to 0. Now the equation of the x-axis is y equal to 0. It's a horizontal line. And we have to be shading above that. Otherwise, there would be no solution. So we have to have y greater than or equal to 0. Now this vertical line here, it passes through 4, 0. The boundary of this is x equal to 4. That is the equation of that line is x equal to 4. And again, we have to be shading to the left of this one. So to the right of the y-axis tells me that has to be x greater than or equal to 0. Above the x-axis, which has the equation y equals 0, has to be y greater than or equal to 0. And for this one then, to the left then would mean x less than or equal to 4. So what we're doing is first you're finding the equation of each boundary. And then you have to decide which way you're going to shade based on the solution that's given there. Now, if these were dotted or broken lines, that means the boundary is not included. And you would have no inequality. So this would be, let's say we had all broken lines or dotted lines here. Instead of x greater than or equal to 0, that would just be x greater than 0. Instead of y greater than or equal to 0, that would just be y greater than 0. If the line x equal 4 was not solid, it was broken, then that would be just x less than 4. So that's what we have so far. Now for the other one, the red one, it passes through 0, 6, and 4, 0. So we can write this as y equal to mx, because this one does have a slope. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. Vertical lines have no slope. So let's write it in this form. The b here is the y-intercept. And there it is. So for this one, this is 6. Line passes through 0, 6. And then for the slope, if you know the 2 points, any 2 points, you can find the slope. So I can just say, okay, let's use this point and this point. So this would be difference in the y, so it would be 6 minus 2. Difference in the x's, so it would be 0 minus 4. So this would be 4 over negative 4, which is negative 1. So the red line has equation y equal to minus 1 is the slope. I just put a minus x here. Plus b is the y-intercept. And that's given by 6. Now if the equation is solved for y, and you're shading below the line, which we are, this would have to be a less than. If we're shading over here, this would be greater than. One test point is all you need. So that means that the other equation, the other linear inequality would be y would be greater than or equal to minus x. Plus 6. So the system of linear inequalities that satisfies, that has this solution set here in black, is x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0, x less than or equal to 4, and y greater than or equal to minus x plus 6. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.